Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog.
Green Access Solutions.
On this episode, I'm just going to show you why it's important to have a soldering flux when you're doing soldering jobs, and why it's always not a good idea if you keep using the soldering flux or soldering paste. I will be demonstrating the importance of this item for any electronic projects. Okay, let's just see this cable here. This is a Cat6 cable. For the demonstration, I'm just using this to show you why we need to use a soldering paste when we are soldering something. So let's twist them together. Twist the tip together so we can. Okay, now that my soldering iron is hot, let's try and apply soldering lead to these wires. So as you can see, the soldering lead sticking only to the sides where it's really hot, and it's not flowing actually down there, down to the base. See, it's kind of bulking, right? So it's not flowing smoothly. So that's because there's oxidation happening on the surface of the wires and on the lead itself. So in order for this to, in order for us to solder this smoothly, we need to use the solder flux. So what we're going to do is we apply a bit of solder paste to these wires here. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to put an ample serving of this soldering flux. Yeah, so you can easily see it. Okay, let's try and solder again one more time with the soldering paste or flux. As you can see, let's do that one more time. So I'm going to apply the soldering paste again. So you will see. Let's apply some more. Okay, so watch closely as I melt the lead together with the flux. See? If you caught that with the camera, as soon as the flux went down, the lead usually followed through. There's the difference during the first time I solder it without flux and after I solder it with flux. So the moment the flux went down, the molten lead also followed. Well, this is better, right? So the only problem after using the flux is that you need to clean it afterward because it's going to stay there and it will attract some dust later. Okay, so that's it. That's the importance of using flux for soldering. So without this one, it's kind of hard to join two metals or two things into one. Also cleans the surface before you bond them. Okay, so that's all for this short video. I hope you guys learned something from my simple tutorial. If you guys find this video helpful, please subscribe to my vlog, and thank you very much for watching.